Hello, so today I'm going to be explaining to you the clue system in my game. So I'll give you a quick demonstration as to what it looks like and how it works. So I'm running the game now. And so the way it works is that when you kill an enemy, he will drop a clue telling you where the elixir of life is. So here you'll see X3 question mark question mark question mark. So this is telling you the last digit of the X coordinate for the position of the clue. And you can just close it. And every time you kill an enemy, you'll get a clue. And you can bring that menu back up by pressing N. And there you go. Okay. So, the way this works is that in our character class, anytime the character dies, it has a chance of dropping a loot. And this is just right now a clue. And the probability is actually 100%. Because math.random gets a number between 0 and 1, never 1 though, so it'll always be less than 1. But if like you want it to be 80% of the time, you'll do a 0.80 here, and now it'll drop it 80% of the time. But I'm keeping it 1 here because it's easier for demonstration. Okay. And okay, whenever a character dies that has a chance of dropping a loot, right now it'll always drop a piece of loot. But in the game loop, this is where we bring up the menu and add a clue. So anytime an enemy takes damage, we check if the enemy dropped loot. If he dropped loot, then we add a clue to the clues array. And the first clue you get will bring up the looting menu. So the way the clue, hold on, actually I'll explain one more thing. So the way you get the menu, so when you get the game state looting, the game canvas draws the clue menu. So it calls clue.draw, which is a static variable of the clue class, and it'll just draw the menu over the top of everything. Okay. And then when you call the clue.add, what you do is, okay, so you pick, am I going to give you an X or a Y coordinate? And we just take a random integer between 0 and 1. And depending on the value that we're going to give you, we grab that value. So if the coordinate that we're going to give you is X, we grab the chest as X position, and we store it in coordinate value, and then we take that and we turn it into a string, and then we turn it into an array. So let's say that I'm giving you an X value of 1000. What I'm getting here is so I get the 1000, and then I turn it into an array holding 1 0 0 0. And then here I select which digit I'm going to give you, just randomly. So I could give you the 0, 1, 2, or third digit. And then down here, I conceal everything else. So let's say I'm going to give you just the first digit of this number. So then what I do is I take everything else and I'm giving you the first digit. So I put the first digit in, then I put everything else as a question mark like this. And then this is what I give you. But however, I put this into a string, so I go through the array. And I just keep concatenating to a string. So I start with this, and then, okay, I'm asking, am I giving you this digit? And if I'm not, I put a question mark, but if I am, I give you the actual digit. So I'm giving you the first digit, I'm not giving the second one, third one, or fourth one. And then this, I concat with the actual coordinate that we're giving you. So if I'm giving you X, I do this. And then this is the clue that gets added into the clue array, and what gets printed when you open up the clue menu. So you'll see here in the clue menu, Yeah, we clues.get current page, and that gets you the current clue you're looking at, which is just the string that I stored that looks like that. And yeah, that's how that works.